Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Design. I'm back with another amazing unboxing from a friend of mine who has blessed me and tried to encourage me to get going. She wanted me to get in on all the freebies. She has sent me a lot. She knows that I have tons of scrapbooking to do for new baby, new grandbaby, first grandbaby, and then all the scrapbooking. I have to make thank you notes for my parents because they passed away. I've got to make their album and all the work I didn't get done in between. So she wanted me to use Creative Memories. So we sat, I shared with her things that I liked, and and anyway, so thank you, sweet friend. But I'm so happy to share with you guys because the products are fantastic. They're gorgeous. They're beautiful. They are acid-free, photo quality, lignin-free, photo quality supplies. And that's her point. Her point was quit using, what's on sale. Let's get you some stuff and let's preserve all my family pictures that we found, that we make copies for everybody. And as I print my copies off, she was like, I want you to have those forever. I want your children to have them. I want your grandchildren to have them. I want your great-great-grandchildren to have them. So thank you, friend. Okay, so we went through things, and there's some things I guess accidentally got picked twice, but we'll talk. So she kind of fussed at me because I don't use the pens. So I have like a brown and a black that I've gotten in previous kits. So she encouraged me to try the gold and the silver. So I'm super excited about that. So here's my brown one. Here's my gold. Here's my silver. I'm going to pull these out so you can see very quickly. They're just like all the other pens. They're dual-sided, dual tip. So one tip is a thicker, but this is a metallic. And this is a thinner. So let's see. Oh, I've got some paper right here. Okay, so let's see what this looks like. Okay, so here is the thin. Ooh, it's very subtle. Ooh, I like that. Okay, so you can almost like sign Christmas cards with that. And then here is the thick. Ooh, and you can see the metallic. Oh my gosh, I love these. Let me see if I can get thicker because I was holding that up with this in. Oh yeah, isn't that pretty? So that's the gold. Let's see, here's the, I think this is black or brown. Oh, I had a brown one out. I must have packed it. So there's the black. So you can see. And, oh yeah. And then here is the silver. Okay, sorry, I'm going to take it a long time here. Let's see here. So here's the silver. That looks like that's the thin side. Oh, that is pretty. I love that. Very metallic-y. I will definitely get a set of these for my Christmas cards this year. I love that. That is so pretty. Thank you. And then she got me the pouch. Oh no. You know what's in here? More colors. So I'm going to tell you, when I signed up almost 20 years ago as an advisor or a consultant back then, I still have the original pens from back then. Now, some of them have dried out because it's almost 20 years later. And I also use them in tons of classes. I mean, kids classes, adult classes, So those pens lasted forever. So here is kind of a, kind of a reddish. Ooh, I love that. Let's see, that's the thin. And here is the thick. I didn't really do this in a very organized way. Didn't know I was going to do that. But, oh, yay, purple. Okay, because I have to do my parents' stuff. So, I wonder if there's any way just to get a purple. I don't think so. I think they come in kits, this part. You can get the silver and the gold separate, and I think the black, that is a really pretty purple. The black and the brown separate, and they come in kits. So they're, oh yeah, that is a good purple. Making sure these lids, they do pop when you get there, so you know you've got it closed good. There's a little snap at the end. And then, here we go. Let's see. And then, ooh, pretty blue. So let's see here. Ooh, the thick end. I love that. That's pretty. So much I'm wearing it. Not on purpose. Okay, and then here's the thin. Ooh, so pretty. So listen. You can hear they snap at the end, so you know you've got them closed well. Okay, and I believe there's 5 in this particular bag when you get this bag. So, and then she ordered the extra 2, plus I have the black. So, I am set. Ooh, that orange is pretty for fall. Won't that be pretty? It'd be even pretty for like baby or summer. I know, right? Lots of different things. I mean, you could take that orange and put it with the brown one, and there would be your fall colors. And then here's a little green you might want to add to it if it's early fall. And then, let me see here. So, ooh, that green is so pretty. I love that. You know, some greens are funky. They can either look good, yeah, that looks like a true green. Very, very pretty. They all fit in my little bag. And we're done. And actually what I'm going to keep in that bag is my little tool. And I'm set. I'm set for my next crop. So, actually I'm set for my trip. So look at all those colors. So on those metallics, that gold and silver, it really kind of shimmers. Even the thin lines have a shimmer to them. Definitely metallic. Very beautiful. Very nice. Thank you. I will literally get a million miles out of those pens. Let me see if I can get that off you. Oh, and it comes off very easily if it gets on you. Alright, let me see. See? It comes right off. Okay, now, I love these. These are the Moments to Memories. So these are laser cut. I believe these are laser. Yeah, they're laser cut. They do such an amazing job on these. So here are all, sorry, everything fell, so it's still damp from the wipe. Sorry. Live in the moment, happy place, smile, hello, incredible, amazing, life and lovely, this is us, perfect picture dream. I love these. I don't remember, usually the things I put on the list were the things that were transitioning out. If these are transitioning out, I will order another one of these because these are gorgeous to use. Okay, and you can use that in scrapbooking, journaling, card making, anything, mixed media. I already have one of these, but I love this. This is the Fanatic layered embellishments. These are gorgeous, guys. Some of these are layered 3 deep. They are just amazing. So, yes. And I also have showed this. This is the Blend and Bloom. I love these, so yay, yay, yay. And, oh, I'm sorry. In case you didn't see that video, look at all the borders that you get. These are border stickers, and those little white hearts that are cut out of that, guess what? They're not. They're pink. You can use them as stickers. I have used this particular border set over and over, and I love them. Okay, here are the little girl woodland animals. My oldest daughter is pregnant. She's having a baby. She's having a little girl. And they decided to go with woodland animals. So I picked these up. I will make some cards for the baby shower, and which I'm in the process of planning all that right now. And I finally got the venue yesterday. Praise God. And this lady is so sweet to me. So we lost one venue because we were waiting to hear back, and this other lady came in. It's not the day and time I would like it to be because I'll miss church, but I have to work around everybody's schedule, so it's okay, not a big deal. Our church will understand, but I just love these. So you can see you get the borders, you get the sentiments, and then you get the cute little woodland animals, and this is the girl. So sweet. I mean, look at that deer's eyes. At one point, we even had like pins for your jacket. Look at that owl. Oh, so cute. I cannot believe how cute that is. Okay, so she wanted me to stock up on, because fall is coming. So here is Goldenrod. Isn't this a gorgeous, sorry, I've got paper stuff in there. Gorgeous fall color. Isn't that it could be sun for summer. It's gorgeous. So you get 10 pieces of this 12 by 12 solid cardstock. It is, their cardstock is, it just doesn't measure up. So she wanted me to get brown as well for the fall, and I love this. And I love like pink and brown. I like using brown in different ways. So gorgeous, gorgeous. Thank you, friend. And navy. I have a lot of the summer stuff, and she was like, "Where's your navy?" And I said, "I have all these other colors." She's like, "You need navy." So thank you, because she was like, "You can use this in, for Christmas, for January." She was like, "You need navy," and I was like, "Okay, thank you." So it's gorgeous, and she's a wonderful friend. Okay, and then orange for fall. It can be used for summer. I mean, I've gotten the list, so it's gorgeous, and look how bright and vibrant. And I'm not an orange girl, but that just makes me happy. I grew up with, like, in the 70s, 60s and 70s, where you had like rust orange carpet and orange wallpaper and yellow wallpaper, and I was like, oh, it was in every part of the house. But I'm coming back around. I really am. It's kind of a weird thing, but I love this. This is so happy. It's such a happy orange. I know. I know, I know. Anyway, so more for the summer aqua. She was going, but you can use this in winter too, in January. And I was like, you're right, I agree. So I have a lot of the summer goodies and kits that are by Creative Memories that I had purchased. And so she said, you need this color. And I said, oh, okay. How do you argue with somebody that's so kind? I mean, I kept saying, no, I'm good, but you know how that goes. So anyways, right, friend? She's laughing at me. So beige is so beautiful. I love this as a base on layouts. It's one of my favorite colors. It should be like, I should have like tons of this in stock. But I love the made pages that you add into your, like, refill pages in beige. And so anyway, so she was saying, you can use this in your happy album. And I was like, oh no, they're all white or pre-done. And she said, no. And I said, oh, you're right. I don't know why I didn't think of that. But I love beige. It's such a great color to build off of. Alrighty, now I picked up pocket pages. Well, why if you don't do 12 by 12 albums? Well, I told my friend, I said, I want to organize, because you want to organize all your stickers and all your embellishments. And I said, I do. And I said, I want to do them by sets and put them all together. So in each pocket, I'll put, like, the Blend and Bloom, and then the baby album goodies. And then, she's like, of course you do. That's a great idea. So I have so many old empty albums, not old, but when I first started, that I haven't used, and I've won some too. And so I thought this would be a great way for me to start making albums of my supplies, and how easy to just pull them off the shelf. So anyways, she was like, she goes, she was like, oh, she goes, I've heard of that, but I've never done it. So I said, well, we'll try. So I got an extra of the Woodland Whimsy Girl paper, because I will use some in the album and some on cards. So I thought that was really cute. So I love, if I could have, like, 10 pages of just this one page, I would be so happy. It'd be the baby announcement cards. They're so cute. So 12 by 12, you get 12 sheets, double-sided, very beautiful. I love that too, the deer. So very beautiful. Alrighty, now, I already got this bag, but that's okay, because it's going to be Christmas gifts. So let's see what we got on the inside. So for every $150 you spend, you get $68 of free. You get a tote, and these are called the mystery bags. So there's different bags that you can get. So I've gotten 2 now that are the same, but I'm okay with that. That is great. You get this gorgeous paper pack that I got with the other order. So it's gorgeous. Look at the colors of that. Isn't that beautiful? And then you get an album. Ooh, I love this album. Ah, so pretty. Ooh, my mind's popping as to how I'm going to use that album. Beautiful. So there's that. Isn't that gorgeous? I know. So again, you spend $150, you get $68 of free goodies. It's amazing, and Creative Memories is always amazing. And this is called the Just Because. So you cannot buy this. You have to, you have to. And I've already gotten, like, a red album, so very beautiful, or, dark red. I was going to pull it out, but you guys have seen it. You can see it in the other haul. All right, friends. I hope that this encouraged you. Take a look at your stash. Look at what's really photo safe. Use that, and use your supplies. Use your supplies. Okay. And thank you, friend, again and again. I have one more video, one more haul, and I will share that with you. All right, my dear sweet friends, I pray that your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Like to say thank you to my friend who's being so kind, who's wanting to help me get everything organized so I can save my family memories. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Come back. We'd love to encourage you. Leave a comment. Say thank you to my friend. She's so sweet. And then also like, subscribe, share. Share if this would encourage anybody else. Because If you're like at the beginning of where do I get started, this little extra kit is fantastic because literally this will all fit inside that bag clearly as it came, and it would be perfect to take to a crop or take with you on a trip in a car, and you can work on your scrapbooking in the car. I do so much. I pre-cut everything. I have it ready to roll, and I start working on it when I'm traveling. So, yeah, I don't like to just sit and be bored. I do a lot. I punch so much in the car. It's crazy. I think it drives my husband a little crazy, but he's gotten used to it now, so it's okay. So this is a great start. Throw some tape runner in there, and you know, buy the main cartridge. Throw a couple of refills in there, and you're good to go. That's it. That's a whole. You've got your family albums here, and when you get the pages, because these albums do not come with pages, you just have to order a set of refill pages. This is just the exterior. You will also get the page protectors to save your memories. So it's a part of it. It's part of the kit. It's totally worth it. Okay, friends, I'm gonna let you go. Thanks so much for being here. I pray your day's blessed, creative, and lovely, and I'll be talking to you in the next video. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.